everyone, welcome to the part 16 of creating reports in Power BI. So in this demonstration we are going to have a look how we can add a custom visual. So custom visual is basically a third party visual, you can say that you can add. Okay, they are created by developers using Power BI developer tools which can extend the capabilities of standard visuals that come with Power BI. So we can see that standard Power BI offers us with all these visuals which are highlighted over here, and apart from it, in order to enhance their capability and to allow for more tailored data visualization, more interactive capability, we can use these custom visuals. So let us go ahead and check out how we can add and remove the custom visuals. So I'll be just using it for demonstration. So whenever you have such requirements where you want to have any kind of advanced Gantt charts, heat maps and key diagrams and so on, you can use them. Okay. So they have an interactive behavior, animation, custom formatting options and all this. And some of the visuals you have to check out that they require the permissions as well as an active internet connection. So please do check about these visuals before using them, and always make it a point that you verify the source and the certification whenever you are using a third party visual. Okay, so either you can select that I want only Microsoft certified ones, and sometimes it could be the case that there is such a visual available which fits to your purpose, but it's a third party visual, so please verify its source. So let us go ahead and check it out. The precondition for creating a visual is that you should be signed in to the Power BI. Okay, for signing in you have to use your office email ID. So it has to be your work email ID. So here you can see that I have used my work email ID. So it has to be your work email ID, then only you can sign into Power BI. After that, you have to come to visualization panel, click on these three dots, and here you will see there will be an option of get more visuals. Click on this option and it will show you all the visuals, all the third party visuals, Microsoft certified visuals which are available over here. You can also filter them by type of visuals over here, and you can also sort them by popularity rating and so on. Okay, like we do the shopping of any other stuff. So you can see these are the box whisker charts, advanced card chart, DNF, circle, KPI, gauge. Okay, so you can see they are kind of more interactive. Some of them even provide more functionalities than whatever we see. Okay, so you can have anything out from here. I'm just going to demonstrate any one. So maybe I demonstrate a simple one. Maybe let's go with a histogram chart. Okay, so I'm going to click on the uh, portion, click on the chart that I'm interested in, and it will take me to this page. You can download the sample or you can add it. So I'm going to add it. You can try out the various options. So just click on add and you will notice that this visual will be added over here. Yeah. So now you can notice over here that previously, like, these were my basic visuals and this is the visual that I have added. It is a custom visual. Okay. Now you can work with it how we work with any of other visuals. So click on it. The blank visual of it will be plotted, and corresponding to it the fields will be shown to you. Okay, what value do you want to observe and so on. So suppose I am interested in observing the profit values. Okay, you can also have something like return value. So I'm just dropping the stuff randomly. I'm not sure whether it is going to give me a correct visual or not. So this kind of visual you're going to get. Okay, value 1 weight, value 2 weight and so on. Okay, so yeah, just have a look at it. Whatever visual solves your purpose, you can add it like this. Okay, now suppose whatever are the frequently required one, keep them added over here. If you don't need a visual, like suppose you have tried it out and you don't like it, so you have to delete all its instances and then you can delete this visual. Okay, so how do we delete this visual? We have to click over here, and here it shows remove a visual. So again, click on the three dots. It will ask you to remove a visual and it will show you all the custom visuals that you have added. So just click remove and remove them. Okay, so please take up some time and explore all the kinds of visual that are offered over here, and so whenever you feel the need, you can use it from here. All right, so like there are like so many of them. Yes.